Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. So if your concealer is creasing, it's settling into fine lines, or it just makes you look tired, it's not necessarily your skin. It could be the way you are applying it. It could be your technique. Because most of us were taught to use concealer, many years ago. And here we are, 40, 50, 60, maybe 70 years old, and that technique does not work anymore. So I am a 60-year-old pro makeup artist and an esthetician, and I always have about 5 or 6 different types of concealers in my kit. It really depends on the person and the medium I'm using. Like maybe I'm doing 4K television or photography, or maybe it's a special event. So I need many different types in order for it to work. But for me personally, I have puffiness and I have dark circles. So I have sampled more concealers than I care to remember or admit. So having said that, I'm going to show you today the method I now use that works so well for mature women. It's a very simple 3-step method. It looks fresher, smoother, and far more natural than anything you will see on Instagram that some 20-year-old is doing, right? And I'm also going to show you exactly what to stop doing, what to do instead, and how to do it. Let's get going. Most women are still doing this. They're drawing a big triangle under their eye and filling it in with product, or applying way too much product hoping for more coverage and to cover things like fine lines and wrinkles. But here's the problem. This technique emphasizes the texture of your skin. It settles into fine lines and can make the under eye area look really heavy. This is a mistake I see over and over again, and frankly, I used to do it too. So instead of covering the entire under eye, place a small amount at the inner corner where darkness is usually the deepest. And if you have puffiness, try to avoid placing the product directly on top of the puffy part. More concealer does not mean better coverage. It usually means more creasing. So secondly, it's important to use a hydrating, creamy formula that goes on easily, warms to the skin without settling in fine lines. This is super important. So today I'm using a pencil concealer from Prime Prometics on my model, Edna. It moves with the skin instead of sitting on top of it, which is really key for mature under eyes. You don't want anything matte or heavy. That's where things really start to look dry and crepey. Always be sure as well to put a little eye cream or face cream around your eyes so that the product can go on better. Okay, step 3 is instead of dragging or over blending, gently tap the product into the skin. Focus on blending outward, but keep most of the coverage right where you need it. You're not trying to erase the under eye. You're just softening it. That's it. Do you see the difference? The eye looks smoother, brighter, but still like skin. This is what changed everything for my own skin. Use less product and be more intentional with the placement. And on some days, I use even less than this, or most of the time, actually, I skip concealer altogether and just use foundation. If your concealer has been aging you, try this method and see how it looks. And if you've been struggling with creasing or maybe some puffiness, I'd love to hear what's been working for you. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman, and have an awesome day.